Hi everyone, and welcome to today's Technology Day here at Wixom. It's been a fantastic turnout so far. We've got a lot of fantastic machines to have a look at, but today I'm here to talk about the FX5. I'm the product manager for the FX5 Linear, and my name's Darren Fox. So within the FX platform we have three variants of machines. We have the FX3, the FX5 and the FX7. So the FX5 that we have here today is our middle spec machine for the FX5 platform. It's a good affordable machine to get into the automation of tool grinding using a robot loader. It's that medium spec machine. So the FX5 machine has two wheel packs. It has two wheel packs that can hold up to 200 diameter wheels with an automatic wheel change. On those wheel packs we have our manifolds that we can automatically set up to have coolant to the wheels. So when it does the wheel change, we don't need to play around with our coolant manifolds. It has a 12 kilowatt spindle on this option, but we also can option up to be a higher power spindle, a 19 kilowatt spindle, and capable of up to 10,000 RPM. So it really covers a good range of wheels for that, the specifications required. It comes loader ready, so we have a loader door here where we can open to get our tools in and out using our pallet system. And the two loaders option for this is the AR300 loader, which is good for diameter 2 up through to diameter 20 millimeters, and a Fanuc rotor, which is in this machine at the moment, which is also good from 2 to 20 millimeters, and can handle up to tools up to 200 millimeters in length. When we look at some of the options on the FX, we have for measurement, we have a touch probe, which we can use for in-process measurement. We have iView, which is a vision system camera, which we can check features on the machine or on the tool, and really helps us with our setup. And we also have the Laser Ultra, which is in-process automatic compensation and measurement. What that enables us to do is do automatic lights out machining, so that we can come in the next day and our tools are ready. We have other options for wheel qualification, which is a touch probe, which we can manually keep in the machine and set up so we can qualify our wheels, or we can set them up using a qualification bar. In this machine today here we have a precision pop-up steady, and that's being used doing the medical drills, and in the medical drills here we have a customised pallet to hold the medical drills, and we have the pneumatic robot grippers in there that reduce the pressure so that we don't damage the clamping of the medical shafts. So yeah, look, hope everybody enjoys the presentations today and the machines we have available. If there's any questions, please feel free to throw them out there or type them in, and happy to answer. Thank you.